Hi guys, so it is currently Saturday. I am here waiting for Spencer. I currently have all of the little pups. We're gonna go to the park. Wish us luck. This is the first time we're taking them all to the park in a long time. Don't know how the puppies are gonna react because it's been a while. So I'm hoping everything's good. Spencer went to go get Deku, so we're just waiting on that. He's going to be in the back and we're gonna be up here. We've just been, hanging out and talking. Did our own thing this morning, but now we're gonna head over to the park. And then I think what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go to the grocery store and we are going to grab food and stuff because I think we want to make Chinese food for dinner. So I think that's what's gonna happen today. If anything gets updated, we will let you guys know, but I gotta go because the dogs are crazy. Oh look, there's Spencer. He's right there. Okay, do you want to put this in the trunk too, babe? The little bag, like the little holder. So yeah, we're preparing for Deku right now. But yeah, we'll probably vlog you guys later though. The dogs are a little crazy right now. So yeah, just wanted to keep you guys updated.
With you everything is complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wait.
Hi guys, so we just came back from the park. It was a different kind of experience. It was kind of intense in the beginning, but afterwards everything was good. We are currently at Spencer's house. We're making a list because we're gonna go grocery shopping and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. Spencer's right there.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, so we'll go ahead and catch you guys up a little later. Vlog you later. Hi guys, we're on our way to the grocery store. Spencer's right there. We are going to make Chinese food today. So like we're gonna make fried rice and chow mein. And I think we're going to see if we can find some orange chicken. And then tomorrow we kind of want to make paninis. So we're gonna grab ingredients for that. And then we're also going to grab some groceries for Spencer for the week. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna go back, probably cook. And then I'm probably gonna head home after that. Just wanted to update you guys. Spencer's doing pretty well. He's right there. I'm sure you guys missed him.
I'm not doing very well.
You're not doing very well, babe?
Being at the park with the dogs wore me out.
Okay guys, we are at Stater Brothers. We're gonna head in there. Spencer's over here. The camera died earlier, so we might have left like at an awkward place. But we're gonna head into the store and we are going to get our groceries. So yeah, we'll probably, maybe we'll do a little video inside the store. Don't know yet. I don't know.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile.
Hi guys, we just came back from Stater Brothers. We are heading back to Spencer's house. We're gonna cook a little bit. We'll probably do a little haul of everything that we bought. And yeah, Spencer's not feeling too good because he got really winded at the park because he did a little too much exercise. We're still recovering, so we're not at 100% yet. So yeah, it just happens. After you get sick, that's just recovering and all that stuff. But anyways, we'll go ahead and vlog you guys later and we'll show you guys what we got at Stater Brothers. Guys, we're back at Spencer's house. I wanted to show you guys what we bought. So a little haul here real quick. We got some Fritos. These are the flavored twists, honey barbecue. We got some sourdough bread for the paninis we're gonna make. We got some eggs for the chow mein and all that stuff. So we got that. We got some ginger. We got some brown sugar. We got a cabbage, a white onion, blackberries. Oh my gosh, the water splashed me. Green onions. We got some apples, some gala apples, and we got some zucchini and squash. We got a little salad. This is the Santa Fe style. It's Spencer's favorite, so we got that. We got some noodles. So these are the Chinese noodles. We got some of those from chow mein. We got some mozzarella for tomorrow. We got some tricolor rotini. We got 2 boxes of that. We got some milk. We got some ketchup. We got some sesame oil. We got some turkey breast. We got some coffee. We got some unsalted butter. Oh, oops, the tomatoes came out of the bag. We got some Roma tomatoes that popped out of the bag there. We got some bananas. Some little oranges, mandarins. What are these called? Oh yeah, mandarins. Some berries. We got some chicken breasts. We got some of these pot stickers for the food today. We got some ultimate petite mixed vegetables for the fried rice. We got some orange chicken. And we've got some mint chip ice cream, which is our favorite. So yeah, we're just gonna put this stuff away. We're gonna start cooking.
Did you notice in these bowls? There's a little dog.
What is that now? Do y'all have one?
I have a little dog.
Do you have a pot?
Pot?
Or anything that we can use to like put the noodles in? And we gotta boil some water.
How big of a pot?
Not that big, because there's not that many.
So we have these here.
I think that one, the bigger one. Bring them in. Okay, this has to go in the oven.
I have to. Maybe I cook it on the stove.
Oh, okay.
Ain't nobody like you. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let taking them down. It's tearing me apart. I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me you're sorry you have changed now. But it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same.
Babe, should I bring it
To
down?
build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart. I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again.
Jack was eating something.
Have to get over you again. Have to get over you. I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart. I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants some dancing? I wonder what's that like? I'm running my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants, and it's midnight? Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I
Or should I put it in
can't
three?
stop thinking about him.